It's DMK Supremo Karunanidhi's 94th birthday today, and the party is already in celebration mode. In fact, the party has invited a host of country's top politicians to join in the celebrations. But a miss has been given to the BJP and the AIADMK from the guest list. So now the DMK has turned up en masse for a massive celebration at Karunanidhi's residence. The Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi has been invited for the celebrations as well, along with the Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar. The other guests on the party list include former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah and even the former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram. The opposition parties in Tamil Nadu have all been invited for the celebration, and visibly absent from the guest list are members of the ruling AIADMK and leaders from the BJP. But this massive show of opposition support comes ahead of the presidential elections in July. In the meanwhile, birthday greetings are pouring in from across the state of Tamil Nadu for the DMK chief Karunanidhi, including birthday wishes coming in from the Congress President Sonia Gandhi.
I have with me DMK leader Kanimozhi ma'am. Thank you for joining us, ma'am, and a heartfelt wishes for your father. And you have also given a very heartfelt tribute. A poem also is being given. What else do you have to tell today?
So I joined lakhs and lakhs of DMK cadres and other well-wishers who wish that he recovers completely and comes back to meet his cadres.
It's a huge day for the DMK followers in the state. M. Karunanidhi, their chief, is celebrating his 94th birthday, and here we can see that at his Gopalpuram residence, there's a lot of celebration. DMK cadres raising slogans, and the entire place is decked up. Lot of flowers and decoration all around his residence, and more of the DMK cadres coming in every passing minute. And just few minutes back we had M.K. Stalin, the acting president of the DMK, also coming in. Today will be a very crucial day for the DMK. They, along with all the senior leaders from various parties, are gathering at the YMCA ground where the birthday bash, the big birthday bash, will happen. But it is said that there will be a tinge of political agenda as well. The presidential election is soon coming, and this will be a testing ground to know their support factor and to also know how many people are with them just ahead of the presidential election. But here, the 94-year-old birthday boy will remain at Gopalpuram residence, and a lot of followers, fans and well-wishers are keeping on coming in to give their wishes. From Chennai, this is Akshaya Nath for India Today.